Welcome to Success Learners channel. This is Balaji. Today we are going to discuss about the assignment types in Python. Assignment means we are assigning a value to a variable in different types is known as assignment types. So there are so many assignment types in this Python, like you see that tuple assignment, list assignment, sequence, and so on. Let us discuss one by one. Coming to basic form of Python assignment type. So let us create a variable name with the spam that equals to, we are assigning the string to this variable like a spam, whatever the string you want. Let us think this string is a spam. We are assigning a spam string to a variable named spam. So let us print this spam. See, it is showing that output it is a spam. This is the basic form of assignment. Coming to the tuple assignment. So how we are going to get this tuple assignment, like spam comma spam1, that is equals to, we are creating a string like yes, as it's quite common, and second spam1 also we are creating yes2. See here, the first string yes, it is corresponds to the first variable spam, and yes2, the second string corresponds to the spam2, the second one. So let us see what happens. Let's print spam comma spam1. What's the output? See here, why we are calling it as a tuple assignment? Why? Because the output is returning in the form of tuple. That's why we are calling it a tuple assignment. See here, for first variable correspondence it is printing first string, and for the second variable it is printing second string. Coming to the list assignment, we have to create a variable list here, like the above examples. Take the above examples like spam comma spam1 in a list, that is equals to, we are creating the strings list also here, like yes s comma yes2. So let's print this one. Print of this spam comma spam1 here. See here, we are printing this in a list format. Why? Because this is a list assignment, right? So same here also, the spam one is spam is corresponds to yes, and spam one is corresponding to s2. Whatever type of you need, if you want a list type, you can create a list variables. If you want to create a tuple variables, you can create using this tuple assignment. Coming to the sequence assignment, so we have to assign them in a sequence. So there will be a sequence of values, and there will be a sequence of variables. We have to assign the sequence of values to the sequence of variables. So let us first create a sequence of values in a tuple format. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So these 4 values are in a tuple, so that this sequence will we are assigning this 4 variables in a tuple to a variable name called sequence, and we are creating variables name a comma b comma c comma d, that's equal to sequence. So let's enter this one, and we need to check that for a comma c comma D. So check this one. So here see, the A is corresponding to the first element in the tuple and the B is corresponding to the second element in the tuple likewise. So we are creating four values and we are matching it with or mapping it with the four variables. So there is no problem of this. So four variables, four values, mapping them. But if we want to assign only four values to three variables, then it will create a problem. So see, we have four variables, we have three variables, we are trying to assign the values, four values to these three. It will throw an error, value error. Why? Because too many values to unpack. So that's why here the next assignment came into picture, like a sequence unpacking assignment. So if we need less number of variables and we have to assign more number of values to these variables, then we are going to use this sequence unpacking assignment. So see this one, A comma B, that equals to sequence, but what we have to change, we have to put a star mark here. So what it does, what the star mark does means the first element A, it is common as before assignment, like A is correspond to the first element in the tuple, but coming to B, the rest of the tuple elements, the remaining of the tuple elements all together are assigned to this B. If you let's see this one, like A comma B. See this, see here, for A value it is printing A, and then for B it is returning a list of 2 comma 3 comma 4, where this 2 comma 3 comma 4 are the remaining elements present in this tuple sequence. So likewise we can unpack the small number of variables with more number of data. If you provide here, if you provide 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 also, it will take all the remaining elements to be. See here, we have to run this one first. Value error, here it will be value error. Let's put this star mark here. The last element, it will take all the elements. See here, this D is corresponding to 4 comma 5 comma, the remaining all elements are assigned to this D. Likewise here, see, let's run this one. See, from 2 to 9, these all are the remaining elements that are assigned to B. This is called sequence unpacking assignment. So, and the next one, coming to multiple target assignment. So multiple target assignment, wherein we in the programming we have some situations like we have to take a copy of same number 2 or 3 times. So we have to take the input, or we have to take a value multiple times, so that we don't need to waste the lines like sp1 that is equals to sp2 that is equals to sp3 that is equals to. So these all need to be the same value that we are giving, like same. So like this, we want to have the same value to these all three variables. So for that type of purposes, we are going to use this multiple target assignments. Like see here, let's print this sp1. sp1 is same, and we are going to print this sp2. sp2 is also same, and sp3 is also same. So for this type of purposes, we are going to use this multiple target assignment. And coming to this augmented assignment, like let us take that s1 is equals to 32, and we have to add this s1 with 10. Let us suppose with s1 we have to add what 10, and we have to assign this to s1 also. What we are doing, we are adding 10 to s1, and we are saving that variable in the same variable, like s1 is equals to s1 plus 10. So what is the value of s1 here? 42. 32 plus 10, it will be 42. So we have same method here, like s1 plus equals to 10. So this is also going to work as before one, like as the before one, like s1 is equals to s1 plus 10. So these both statements are same. See here, 42. If we are not using this statement, it is s1 plus equals to 10. This type of assignments is known as augmented. We can use minus, we can use divided by. These all are comes under augmented type assignments. That's it, guys. In the next video, I am going to tell you the detailed description of all these assignments, what these are going to reflect. See here in this multiple target assignment, what is going to happen if we are going to change one variable, if it reflects the other ones or not. Like this type of all things, I am going to use a range function to assign, and in a for loop how we are going to assign these types. So these all types are I am going to discuss about in the next video. So if you have any queries regarding this assignment topic, please comment below in the comment section. Thank you, guys.